Most people don't realize how much damage a wrongly built deck can cause to a multi-story building. When a deck is built flat, or even worse, when the slope sends water toward the wall instead of away from it, you create the perfect recipe for structural rot. This is one of the biggest hidden problems in G+3 and other multi-level buildings, and it's one of the most expensive to fix because water damage doesn't stay where it starts. It spreads quietly through the building, soaking the sheathing, leaking into wall cavities, weakening framing, damaging finishes, and slowly destroying the structure from the inside out. When a deck has no slope, water simply sits there. It pools. It freezes in winter. It melts. It soaks the membrane. It pushes under the siding. Over time, this trapped water penetrates the building envelope, leading to rot, mold, and structural weakening. But there is an even bigger mistake that many people don't think about: sloping the deck toward the wall or placing the drainage route right beside the wall. When water drains toward the building, it doesn't matter if there's a gap, a drain channel, or a scupper, water always finds a way into the tiniest openings. As water runs along the wall over and over, day after day, season after season, it slowly enters through cracks, nail holes, siding joints, and flashing weaknesses. This is how buildings start to rot from the top down and outside in. The water travels behind the cladding, saturates the sheathing, compromises insulation, and eventually damages the framing itself. A flat deck is bad, but a deck draining toward the wall is a structural disaster waiting to happen. Every building science principle around the world teaches the same rule: water must always move away from the building. Anytime water is allowed to run toward the wall, or sit near the wall, or drain beside the wall, you are violating the most basic law of moisture control. Water against a wall creates hydrostatic pressure. Water sitting near flashing forces its way behind the material. Water draining beside the railing posts or along the ledger board increases the chance of long-term moisture entry. And once wood stays wet, rot begins. Fungal growth doesn't stop when the wood eventually dries. Once it starts, the damage continues. Here's what gets damaged when decks are built incorrectly. The ledger board becomes soft. The rim joist weakens. The balcony structure begins to tilt. The sheathing behind the siding turns to pulp. Studs lose strength. Water leaks into the suite below, ruining ceilings, flooring, paint, and electrical systems. And in multi-story buildings, water can travel from one unit to the next without anyone knowing until the cost reaches tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. Here's the part most people miss. The fix is simple. The correct slope is 1/4 inch per foot. That's the universal standard for proper deck drainage. That slight slope ensures that all water moves away from the building, not toward it. It prevents pooling, stops water from sitting beside the wall, and protects the structure for decades. The method doesn't matter: tapered joists, dropped beams, sloped sheathing, or membrane systems, as long as the water moves away from the building. A properly sloped deck combined with correct waterproofing, flashing, drip edges, and drainage gaps creates a building that stays dry, safe, and strong. But the moment you slope a deck toward the wall, or let water drain along the wall line, you create a leak path that will eventually cost someone tens of thousands of dollars. If you're a homeowner, a contractor, or someone managing multi-story buildings, remember this: water always wins if you let it. But if you guide it away with proper slope and proper drainage design, you protect the entire building from long-term structural damage. A simple 1/4 inch per foot fall can save you from major repairs, lawsuits, and safety hazards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more construction lessons that protect buildings, protect contractors, and protect your wallet. More smart building tips coming soon, the Contractor CEO. And don't forget to subscribe for more.